Hey everyone, what's up? In this quick video, I'll show you how to tweak the gamma and brightness in CS2. Let's dive in. First, open up CS2 on your computer. Next, click the gear icon to bring up the settings. Now, switch to the video tab. Here, you will find the brightness option. Just scroll the bar to change the brightness and gamma. But if you can't select the bar, click this box next to display mode. Then select full screen from the drop-down menu. And click on apply changes. Now, you should be able to change brightness and gamma. You can also use the developer console to change the gamma. To do that, tap the backtick or tilde or the key below the escape key to bring up the console. Then type r_fullscreen_gamma, then put a space and type in the gamma value. By default, the gamma value is set to 2.2. But it's better to use anything between 2.5 to 3. So, just type the gamma value at the end of the command and hit enter. And the brightness and gamma will be changed. So that's how you change the gamma and brightness in CS2. If the video was useful, please hit the like button. Want more CS2 related tips and tricks? Subscribe to the channel. As always, thanks for watching.